Last one, you're asked to find the mass of a single atom of the following elements. So we need to go from the atomic weight, which is grams per mole, to grams per atom. So for silicon, you just start with the molecular weight, which is, let's see here, 28.09 grams in 1 mole. And if you multiply that by Avogadro's number, then that would be 1 mole, or if you divide by Avogadro's number, 6.022 times 10 to the 23 atoms. Now you have grams over atoms, which is what you want, and that gives you 4.66 times 10 to the minus 23 grams for silicon. You would solve for rhodium and antimony the same way, and when you do, you find that the answer for rhodium is 1.71 times 10 to the minus 22 grams per atom, and for antimony it is 2.02 times 10 to the minus 22 grams per atom.